Tech Tales 48. Today is June 4th on a Friday morning, 6:24 a.m. It's 78 degrees this morning. Got the window open, real comfortable. Forecasting 103 degrees today, which means we're still in a cooling trend from the 106 that we had on Monday, Memorial Day. So this is unseasonably hot weather. But it's nice right now. Tech Tales is a playlist on my channel where each day I spend almost every day, I spend about 10 minutes reading time slips and explaining them for my real world clients in Fresno, California. So to start with, this is a 50-minute time slip, 50, and it's for the apartment building Mike. I use mnemonics as company names and people's names instead of their real names. It's 7:40 p.m. to 8:55 p.m. for Juliet in that office. Called security desk to request Juliet's computer to be turned on. Connected remote. Uninstalled Office 2010. Installed Microsoft Office 365. What? Well, I worded that wrong. Installed Microsoft 365 Office. We don't use the word Office anymore. Configured defaults for Word, Excel, and Outlook. Installed OneDrive and configured to provide data backup. So I've had prior time slips talking about Juliet in this office. She had Outlook 2010, and it's just every day I've had to reinitialize Outlook to get it to work again. So I just wound up saying, you know what? 2010 is out. We've been converting all the computers over one by one to Microsoft 365 as the occasion provides. So I said, I'm not going to fuss with trying to fix this. Let's just upgrade to Microsoft 365. So I had to call the security desk because she had forgot to leave her computer on. At the end of the day, they have a 24/7 security desk. So that was convenient for me to be able to get that change implemented for her. Yeah, defaults. OneDrive. We use OneDrive for backups in this office. They don't have a server, so each computer will back up the documents and desktop and pictures folder to OneDrive, and that handles it for them because their primary data is through a web-based application. So that's all we have to do there. And then for the CPA Office Romeo, this is a 42-minute time slip. Oh, these are both on May 20th on a Thursday. So I'm a couple of weeks behind in reading the time slips. And this is 7:53 to 9:40 p.m. Server. So I put the name of the person, or in this case, server, because I'm doing work on the server. Server : connected remote to server and began scan with Disktective. Reviewed results and evaluated disk space utilization. Sent email to Romeo, Tango, and Hotel to report status. Performed additional investigation of misleading free space indicators. Initiated download of Windows updates on server. Download status 12% at 9:40 p.m. So there's several things to elaborate on there. I had mentioned in prior time slips about a conversation with Tango about the concerns for the amount of free space that their file explorer on their individual workstations indicates the file server is full. It's been indicating that for a long, long time, and it's not full. And I run this Disktective to find out how much space is actually in use, and they're using about 20% of their total hard drive space on the server. There's something strange going on with volume shadow service. I think that's where it's happening. At one point in time, I had this computer configured to use Microsoft Azure for cloud backup. It was a test case, and the cost on that just exploded month after month. It just climbed, not exponentially, but like doubled every month. And when we got to about $80 a month, I said, no, this isn't going to work. So it seems that it was in connection with that there's this misleading disk space figure. I don't know what's going on. This is one of the side benefits of me doing these tech tales, is that sometimes other technicians that have come across a symptom might tell me in the comments what's going on. So if you have an idea, put it in the comments. I've chased down lots of ideas already. So yeah, but please do tell me what you think if you have an idea. And then additional investigation, report status. Okay, so I sent an email to the 3 of them. They're all management level. And initiated downloads of Windows updates on server. This server takes a long time to do Windows updates. It's typically, I'll start it in the evening and then the next morning finish it up. But it does the updates. So I'm not sure what's going on there. The speed indicators of the server is fine. Background software on the server is fine. The main thing is this disk space utilization. That's the only anomaly I've been able to find that might have some kind of explanation buried in there somewhere. But the server works for them. Their workstations are working fine. They get through their days just fine. They just finished tax season. And we had a couple glitches due to power outages, and those are fairly easy to recover from. So then the next time slip is also the same CPA's Office Romeo on Friday the 21st, 9-minute time slip, 5:30 to 5:39 a.m. Server, check status of updates and initiated restore to complete installation. Initiated restore. Why did I say what? Check status of updates and initiated restore to complete installation. No. That was a brain glitch on my part. I didn't do any kind of a restore. I'm gonna have to look closer at that and see fix that. I'll be fixing that on the invoice when it comes time to generate that. Then also on Friday, also for Romeo, 6:25 a.m. to 6:31 a.m. server, verified restart after updates complete. Oh, initiated restart, not restore. You know what? I bet autocorrect did that. Yeah, it was initiate restart to complete installation. That makes total sense. Then next, now here's a weird thing about QuickBooks Online. See, ideally I would just fix that right now. But since I had more than one time slip on that day, if I fix that now, that's going to cause that time slip to show that it was edited more recently than the subsequent time slip where at 6:25 to 6:31. So then the invoice is going to show those out of order. And if somebody actually reads through the invoice, it's kind of confusing for them to be out of order like that. So I'm going to go ahead and fix that here. Because when I generate the invoices, it's still my habit, my routine, to look down the left-hand column for all the dates and look at the times. For any times that there's more than one time slip on a particular date, I look at the times and I just swap their order if I need to. But I don't read every time slip, so I will miss this piece about initiated restore. So I'm going to go ahead and change that here. Initiated restart and save that. So I know that one's going to go out of order, and I'll catch that when I generate the invoice. Now this whole screen just redrew, and which means I lost my place. Well, we're at 9 minutes 15, and did I finish everything on there? So let's go all the way down to Friday. That's easy to spot. And so then, yeah, here is that 9 minutes, initiate restart to complete installation. Now, they haven't swapped order on this weekly timesheet that I'm looking at, but it will swap order on the invoice. It's weird. I don't know. QuickBooks Online didn't check with me before they designed that aspect of their program. I wish they would check with me, you know? So then that 6 minute was verifying restart updates complete, and then the next time slip goes on to another client, and we'll go ahead and stop it there. So I hope this has been useful. Have a great day. Catch you later. Goodbye.